Let's take a look at the day's action and recap. We'll start here at the ES. We have essentially a doji day. A few minutes ago, this thing was a near bearish shooter candle here that was about to close as such, and then we ran it up into the close right up to the open again. So let's just start right through here. You can see Asian session flatline, London session run up, and then the cash session just broke down in that first hour or so. Right through here, broke down, flipped the aggressive trend stream, broke down through the bearish break, and plunged for the balance of the day until that late session bullish run into the close. Let's take a look at a few of the setups that we saw today. There was one right here. Unfortunately, I missed it. I really didn't miss it. It was just too far gone before I was able to get an entry on this one. So to me, I was going to take an entry right here. That exposes me to a lot of pullback risk here that I did not want to take. I think if I would have dropped down to a smaller time frame, I may have been able to grab this one, but it didn't work out for me in on that opening break, or that shortly after the opening break, right around that 9 o'clock hour. There was a secondary entry through here as we broke down here, a pullback, and you can take this thing down to target one. As soon as this one closed, we had a little pullback here that held. And again, we were riding this aggressive trend stream. The actual trade of the day for me was right here. I have it highlighted out. We essentially broke down below target one right through here, chopped for a while, created this bear flag breakdown scenario here. We again came up here. We had some trap traders up in here, which is perfect. Broke down, closed below my level, broke the pattern. And as soon as we ticked below this candle right here, we plunged down. I took some partials right here and held a runner to target two. It was a nice little trade there. And again, we nailed target two almost to the tick. And then we had this late in the day reversal rally. Let's take a look at the NQ. NQ today was a little bit off from the ES for most of the day. They weren't really in sync. NQ did not plunge as far as the ES did. Essentially, it didn't do much around its overnight range. So you got the overnight range here, Asian session flatlined, London session popped up, and then sold back down, essentially right to yesterday's POC, wicked through it a little bit, and then ran it up into the close back up to the POC. So more of a range-based day. I know it's pretty widespread here on the size, but we did not break much of that overnight value, just kind of tinkered around the edges on it. So let's take a look into tomorrow. So now that we have an indecisive day here, what's next? The answer is I don't know. Because we are on an inside week. We have not taken out the highs. We have not taken out the lows. We have that inside day Monday, and then we've just kind of ranged a little bit today. Thought there might be a chance for a pop-up today, a breakout to the upside off of this outside bullish day yesterday. That played out in the overnight and did not hold. It failed and broke down below this POC. So I don't know what the week wants to do. Honestly, we're at the end of Thursday going into Friday. It looks like we are assembling that inside week. Possible we can go up, possible we can go down. Don't know. We'll have to see what the overnight session brings, where that pre-market value is and where it could potentially go to. So we'll check it out in the morning.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.